hitchhike to Birmingham if it hadn't been for love. Never would have caught the train to Louisiana if it hadn't been for love. Never would have run through the blinding rain without $1 to my name if it hadn't been for love.
I didn't walk home. I didn't arrive late. If I had walked home, I would have arrived late. I didn't arrive early. I didn't talk to Sue. If I had arrived early, I would have talked to Sue. I didn't talk to Sue. I didn't get the job. If I had talked to Sue, I would have gotten the job. I didn't read the book. I wasn't informed. If I had read the book, I would have been informed. I didn't sleep well. I couldn't concentrate. If I had slept well, I would have concentrated. I didn't make pizza. I ate in a bar. If I had made pizza, I wouldn't have eaten in a bar. It rained. I didn't walk home. If it hadn't rained, I would have walked home. I made pizza. I didn't eat in a bar. If I hadn't made pizza, I would have eaten in a bar. It was late. I had to run. If it hadn't been late, I wouldn't have had to run. I slept well. I could concentrate. If I hadn't slept well, I couldn't have concentrated. I walked home. I arrived late. If I hadn't walked home, I wouldn't have arrived late. I arrived early. I talked to Sue. If I hadn't arrived early, I wouldn't have talked to Sue. I talked to Sue. I got the job. If I hadn't talked to Sue, I wouldn't have gotten the job. I read the book. I was informed. If I hadn't read the book, I wouldn't have been informed. I slept well. I could concentrate. If I hadn't slept well, I couldn't have concentrated.
Never would have hitchhiked to Birmingham if it hadn't been for love. Never would have caught the train to Louisiana if it hadn't